Move the control lever on the left side of the remote control to the lower right corner. Pull down the operation button in the upper left corner of the remote control to start the remote-controlled helicopter. When the main rotor speed of the remote-controlled helicopter reaches its maximum, gently push up the lever on the left side of the remote control, and the helicopter will slowly ascend. Push to the left, and the helicopter will rotate to the left. When the helicopter is flying forward, you use the rudder to start turning and input the aileron operation. This will result in a tilted turn. Let me demonstrate again. Please pay attention to the operation of your fingers.